Speak English with your kids, easy and short sentences. Learn with me. Let's start. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. ताली बजाओ. Snap your fingers. Snap your fingers. चुटकी बजाओ. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. उंगलियां क्रॉस करो. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. उंगलियां हिलाओ. Crack your knuckles. Crack your knuckles. उंगलियां चटकाओ. Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. हाथ आगे करो. Form a fist. Form a fist. मुट्ठी बनाओ. Rotate your wrist. Rotate your wrist. कलाई घुमाओ. Wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. बाय करो. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. हाथ जोड़ो. How to open this? How to open this? इसे कैसे खोलूं? Which one? Which one? कौन से वाला? This one. This one. ये वाला. Or that one. Or that one. या वो वाला. Anyone will do. Anyone will do. कोई सा भी चलेगा. Pull them apart. Pull them apart. खींच कर अलग करो. What to do with this? What to do with this? इसका क्या करना है? Dip this in the milk and eat. Dip this in the milk and eat. इसे दूध में डुबोकर खाओ. Can I take all? Can I take all? क्या मैं सारे ले लूं? Who do you take after? Who do you take after? आप किस पर गए हो? I take after my father. I take after my father. मैं अपने अब्बू पर गया हूँ. I am in a bad mood. I am in a bad mood. मेरा मूड खराब है. My sleep was disturbed. My sleep was disturbed. मेरी नींद खराब हो गई.